Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
In this tutorial, we are going to create a rotating canvas project. For this experiment, we will require a DC motor, a 9-volt battery, a push button, connecting wires, a circular paper disc, and a pen or pencil. So, let's start building. First, take the DC motor and place it on the working area. Now, connect one terminal of the motor to the push button using connecting wires. Next, connect the other terminal of the push button to the battery connector wire. After that, connect the remaining motor terminal directly to the other battery connector wire to complete the circuit. Now, take the circular paper disc and carefully attach it to the shaft of the DC motor. Finally, connect the 9-volt battery to the battery connector. Let's test the project. Now, gently place a pencil or pen on the rotating paper surface. As the paper rotates continuously, the pencil creates beautiful circular patterns and artistic designs on the canvas. This simple project demonstrates the working of a DC motor and shows how rotational motion can be used to create creative artwork.